Guys, 17 ingredients, 3 minutes. Taste, think, taste, think, and go, yeah? First 2, come on, let's go.
I straight away smelled cinnamon. My mind went to donuts. So I don't know how I'm going to go on this one.
Right, step up.
A chef's palate is something that can't really be taught. It's more intuition.
This is molecular gastronomy at its best.
Taste, flavour, smells.
Julie, you've got less than a minute. Good luck.
Step up.
I thought I had it. I was like, I already got 15 in my hand right now, just guessing what's in there. However, when I got to the pot, I turned into stunned mullet, and all I was drawing was what was in front of me, bay leaf. Bay leaf. Got one thing.
There's definitely 3 ingredients. If all of you don't have it on your sheets, I will be so pissed off, yeah? I'm not going to state the obvious.
I think I actually went a bit blank. There's a bay leaf, like many of them, floating at the top. Didn't write bay leaves down.
5 seconds.
Oh.
Come on. Put them down. Last scribbles.
I really probably at that stage just froze up and I held onto the piece of paper and maybe so 5, 4...
3, 2, 1. 1. 1. That's it.
I'm so stuffed up.
Step up. Think about it, take your time, digest it, don't overanalyze it.
I think I did okay, although I'd sort of left out one fairly basic ingredient. Tomato.
All right, step up.
When I was standing in the line and I got called up, my heart was racing.
That's it.
I knew this was going to be really, really hard, but I didn't think it was going to be that hard. Something has really kicked me off and made me super nervous. Oh, what a day.
I've never been so scared to taste beautiful food in my life. My father's Sicilian, so I thought, imagine, all I could think of was getting thrown out of a show on a spaghetti bowl. I'd never live it down. I couldn't go back to Cairns. I'd have to leave town.
I was all happy and smiling and stuff, and then all of a sudden I just went blank.
Done.
I'm vegetarian, and that was a big part of me.
Step up. Come here. Come on. We don't have to taste it. We can do it without tasting. Come with me. I'll help you do it. Yeah? Okay? I'm going to help you do it, so take a deep breath.
When I looked in the pot, I just saw so much meat, and it was just overwhelming. I was afraid of it.
You don't have to taste it. Maybe smell it and think about, in your knowledge of cooking, what might go into it. And remember, you might get it right.
I just haven't eaten it for so long that I kind of can't imagine eating it.
Look at it and identify it. Have a smell as well. Put your nose to it and have a smell.
I didn't taste any. I smelled a bit of it, but that's about it. I looked at it for a while. I don't know. It'd be quite funny, though, if I beat all the meat eaters.
George prepared a beautiful bolognese. He used 17 ingredients, and your challenge was to identify as many of those as you could. Some of them were obvious, others weren't.
Right. You all want to know, yeah? 17 ingredients. Number 1, extra virgin olive oil. Number 2, onions. Number 3, carrots. Number 4, celery.
When the judges were revealing the ingredients, my heart was pounding.
Number 5, chopped tomatoes.
My name is Greg Bremner. I forgot tomato in bolognese.
Cinnamon. Nutmeg. Clove. Beef.
I knew there were a few types of meat, but I just guessed.
Pork. Veal. Number 12. Tomato paste. White wine. Garlic.
I forgot to put down garlic, and I mean, let's face it, there's bound to be garlic in that.
Number 15. Salt. Number 16. Pepper. Number 17. Bay leaf.
Hands up. Those who forgot bay leaves. I don't see a hand up here, Elvira.
Bit higher.
I cannot believe it.
Elvira, seriously, it was like swimming at the top of the pot. Hello, I'm a bay leaf. What were you thinking?
I'm a bit of an idiot, aren't I, really? I just have no idea why I didn't write it down. I just don't know.
So after all that, the highest score out of a possible 17 ingredients was 14. The lowest score was 6. Stephen, step forward, please. You had the highest score. You seem really excited. No, woohoo, yeah, fantastic.
Well, it was a relief, I can tell you. I'd never live it down. My father would kill me. Thanks, guys.
Well done. Hands up, those who did not pick tomatoes.
Greg, what were you thinking?
I would like the following people to step forward. Greg, Lucas.
Being in that line, there was a long period of time as the names were being called out, so your stomach's churning and trying to work out whether I could be punished for my stupidity.
Jeanette, Sam, those of you that have stepped forward into the front row, congratulations. You're through to the next round.
I feel an amazing sense of relief.
Well done. Now, those of you left in the line, over half of you got less than 10 of the ingredients that George used to cook his bolognese. That's pretty disappointing.
I honestly don't know what's going on today because I'm all over the shop shaking.
The first person that's safe is Trevor.
When the judges called out my name, I was absolutely ecstatic. I didn't want to go home today. I didn't want to go into the bottom 12 today.
Also through to the next round is Hannah, Tack, Kate. Guys, there's only one spot left. Who's nervous?
Standing in the line, especially after the first lot left, was really nerve-wracking.
The person to go through by the skin of your teeth is Sarah.
I'm really happy that I got through and take one for the veggies out there.
Those of you left standing in this line, I hope you realise you're facing elimination. The elimination challenge is an opportunity for those of you that really want this to redeem yourself, to save yourself, and not hand away that dream. It's a dream. Australia's first MasterChef. That's what you put yourselves up for. This is your last chance.